Hi guys, Philipp from Pink Tassel here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to transform this old frame that I bought on a flea market. We're gonna begin from descending this frame. You don't necessarily need to do this, but it's always nicer to work with a clean surface. The sanding is complete and we are ready to apply primer. I'm gonna use my standard choices 123 Bullseye primer because I'm looking to make a very smooth surface. The primer is dry and we are ready to start painting. And for a painting I'm gonna use my favorite matte acrylic by Blick. I still didn't decide how exactly I want to paint this frame. However, I know that I want to try to draw a chessboard on the inside part of the frame. So let's start from that. I just finished painting and I love how the chessboard looks together with the green and yellow. It slightly reminds me my Kinsey Child style. Our next step will be to apply stain on a surface to look the frame more antique. I'll see you in a second. The wood stain meant to be applied on a raw wood so it can penetrate inside and give it a color. But today we're gonna apply it on a painted surface, keep from 2 to 3 minutes and then wipe it off. I just finished the staining. The frame got beautiful brownish undertone that made it look very antique. Now I have to leave it for at least 4 days to let it dry. While the frame is drying, I'm gonna work on a string that's gonna hold the frame on a wall. I already got some wooden beads. I'm gonna use same colors of the paint and pretty much repeat same steps that I just did with the frame. All parts are dry and ready to be sealed with a clear finish. I'm gonna take everything outside and I'll see you in a second. Frame and all the elements has dried. It got a very beautiful porcelain shine. I just picked up my glass from a local frame shop and I'm ready to start final assembly. The project is complete. I love this whimsical frame. It reminds me a little bit of Alice in Wonderland. If you like this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments below, and as always, craftfully yours, Philipp from Pink Tassel.